Welcome to the top best. The best Pumpkin Glade is probably one of the most anticipated seasonal scents, and for good reason. It promises a cozy, inviting atmosphere, perfect for the fall season. But does it live up to the hype? In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Pumpkin Glade, exploring its fragrance profile, longevity, and overall value to help you decide if it's the perfect scent for your home. Number 5. Glade Plugins Pumpkin and Ginger Air Freshener. This is the Glade Plugins Air Freshener, featuring the delightful pumpkin and ginger fragrance. It's designed to fill your home with a warm and inviting scent. Each package comes with 5 plug-in refills. This ensures that you can enjoy the fragrance for an extended period, creating a continuous and pleasant atmosphere. The fragrance is a blend of pumpkin, vanilla, caramel, and spice. These notes combine to create a cozy and comforting ambience in any room. The product provides a long-lasting fragrance, ensuring your space smells great for a considerable time. It's an easy way to keep your home smelling fresh. The fragrance is infused with essential oils. This enhances the quality of the scent, making it more natural and appealing. The product is made without phthalates, parabens, or formaldehyde. You can enjoy the fragrance with peace of mind, knowing it's made with safe ingredients. Also, try this scent as a Glade Air Freshener Spray, 3-wick candle, wax melt, or automatic spray. There are multiple ways to enjoy this wonderful fragrance. What we like. This refill pack offers a continuous, long-lasting fragrance, perfect for keeping your home smelling fresh. It's infused with essential oils, providing a natural and inviting scent. If you are looking for a worry-free way to enjoy the cozy aroma of pumpkin and spice, this is a great choice. What people say. The scent is a perfect blend of pumpkin and spice. It fills the room with a warm and inviting aroma. The fragrance lasts for a long time. Number 4. Glade Golden Pumpkin and Spice Plugins Refills. Introducing the Glade Golden Pumpkin and Spice Plugins Refills. This limited edition air freshener is part of the Holiday Glow collection. It's designed to bring a warm and inviting atmosphere to your home. Experience the delightful blend of pumpkin, star anise, and cinnamon. This fragrance is perfect for creating a cozy and comforting vibe in any room. It's like a warm hug for your senses. Glade scented oil fragrances are crafted by master perfumers. They are infused with essential oils to provide a luxurious scent experience. You can enjoy high-quality fragrances without breaking the bank. Get luxury scents at everyday prices with Glade. This limited edition fragrance is designed to enhance your home during the season. It's an easy way to turn up the season. This is a limited edition fragrance, so grab it while you can. It's a simple way to add a touch of seasonal magic to your home. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your space. What we like. This limited edition fragrance from the Holiday Glow collection offers a luxurious and comforting vibe. Crafted by master perfumers, it provides a sophisticated scent experience. If you like a more premium fragrance experience and want to elevate your home's ambience, you should consider this. What people say. The scent is a perfect blend of pumpkin and spice. It fills the room with a warm, inviting fragrance. The scent is long-lasting. Number 3. Glade Plugins Pumpkin Spice Starter Kit. This is the Glade Plugins Refills Air Freshener Starter Kit in Pumpkin Spice. It's designed to fill your home with a warm, inviting fragrance. The scent is perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere. Simply plug it into any standard outlet. The device will then release the delightful pumpkin spice fragrance. It's a hassle-free way to enjoy a long-lasting scent. This starter kit includes refills that provide weeks of fragrance. You can adjust the intensity to your preference. It ensures your home smells wonderful day after day. The pumpkin spice scent evokes the feeling of fall. It combines the warm notes of pumpkin, spices, and a hint of sweetness. It's the perfect way to welcome the season. With Glade plugins, you can easily create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. It's perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, or any space where you want to relax. Let it transform your home. What we like. N.A. What people say. The scent is a perfect blend of pumpkin and spice. It fills the room with a warm, inviting fragrance. The scent lasts for a long time. Number 2. Glade Pumpkin Spice Plugins Air Freshener. Introducing the limited edition Glade Pumpkin Spice Things Up from the Holiday Spirit Collection. This air freshener is perfect for adding a festive touch to your home. This fragrance features notes of pumpkin, spice, and sweet caramel. It's designed to create an alluring mood and spark joy in any room. It has an adjustable warmer, allowing you to control the intensity of the scent. This warmer is more adjustable than previous models. The scents are crafted by master perfumers and infused with essential oils. This ensures a high-quality and long-lasting fragrance experience. Glade is America's #1 selling fall fragrance brand. Bring the scent of fall into your home with this amazing product. What we like. This plug-in air freshener is designed to spark joy with its festive scent. It features an adjustable warmer, allowing you to customize the fragrance intensity. If you are looking to create a lively and inviting atmosphere for your gatherings, you should consider this. What people say. Within a few hours I can already smell the scent from my upstairs closet at the bottom of the stairs. It's a very pleasant scent. These plugins smell so good I have them in my kitchen. It smells like I'm baking pumpkin pie. Number 1. Glade Pumpkin Spice Things Up Candle Jar 3.4 ounces. This is the Glade Candle Jar, designed to fill your home with delightful fragrances. It's an air freshener that creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. Experience the cozy scent of pumpkin spice. It's perfect for creating a festive mood during the fall season. The aroma will make you feel warm and comfortable. This candle jar contains 3.4 ounces of scented wax. It's designed to provide long-lasting fragrance throughout your home. You will enjoy the pleasant smell. Let this candle spice up your space. It's an easy way to add a touch of seasonal cheer to any room. It will make your home smell amazing. Glade is here to make your home a better place. This candle is a simple way to create a welcoming environment. Try it today and see the difference it makes. What we like. N.A. What people say. The scent is very nice and not overpowering. The scent is perfect for the fall season. It smells just like a pumpkin patch. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.